Okay, this is a chance for you to work it out on your own. You are going to be solving number 14 on the bottom of the practice page. I'm going to give you a little bump to get you started, and then you're on your own. When you show up for retakes, I expect that you will have solved this problem and shown all of your work. So again, number 14 is a very short question. You have a helium-filled balloon. It has a volume of 3.40 liters, 25 degrees Celsius, 120 kilopascals. And the question is, what is its volume at STP? So if I go ahead and fill in all the information that I have, looking on that piece of paper, I'll see that it tells me right off the bat, volume of 3.40 liters. And it tells me the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, and it tells me that the pressure is 120 kilopascals. Then I go over to the other side and it says what is its volume, so this is what I'm looking for right here. But it doesn't give me a temperature or a pressure. It tells me its standard temperature and pressure. This is where you need to go and pull your gas PowerPoint notes out. And you'll see that number 3 says the standard pressure is right there. It's listed. ATMs, PSI, kilopascals, millimeters of mercury. It also gives you that standard pressure and temperature in number 2, and in number 8 it gives you standard temperature. So what you need to do is look in your gases PowerPoint notes and find out where it tells you what standard temperature and pressure are. Now the only thing you need to watch out for is when you decide, like for example, for standard pressure we had 4 options, you need to make sure that your option corresponds to the units here. So if I had 120 kilopascals and I go to my notes, if I pull 1 atmosphere as the standard, it doesn't match. I have to measure in kilopascals. So once you do that, you're going to fill in the temperature and the pressure in the same units that you had them over here. Then make sure that you change the temperature. Remember, temperature is always going to be plus 273 if you're working with Celsius. When you do all the math, just like it says on your paper, you should end up with volume equals 3.7 liters at standard temperature and pressure. If you don't get that, please see me. If you want to do a retake on chapter 11-13 or chapter 13, then you also need to see me.